Hi viewer, in this video we will discuss Python operators. Python operators are symbols or special keywords that allow you to perform operations on variables and values. There are several types of operators in Python, including arithmetic operators like addition and subtraction. Addition means adding of two operands, and subtraction means subtract the right operand from the left operand. Okay. Here, multiplication means multiplication of two operands. Here, division is divide the left operand by the right operand, or divide the left variable to by the right variable. Here, modulus returns the remainder of the division of the left operand by the right operand. Next, exponential raises the left operand to the power of the right operand. Here, floor division double slashes returns the integer part of the division result. It's called floor value. Here we're discussing for Python programming in the previous videos also. I want to skip this one. Here I want to explain this. A and B. Here A plus B values 10. Subtraction of A minus B 7. Here multiplication A into B 30. A division A by B 3.3333333335. And modules A percentage by B. Here when the module A percentage will be, the value will be 3 point something. And exponential 10 to the power of 3000. Here floor division 10 by 3 point something, but if floor division get the value of one integer value, so the value will be the 3. Here comparison operators. In these comparison operators are equal to, checks if two operands are equal. Not equal to, it checks the two operands are not equal. Here less than, this checks the left operand is less than the right operand. Greater than, checks if left operand is greater than the right operand. Less than or equal to, it checks the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, it checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. You know very well of these commands. Okay, I will to skip to the next, the logical operators. The logical operators are and, or, not. And means it returns if both operands are true. Or means if the latest one operand is true. Okay, at least one operand will be true, that's called as or. Not means it returns the opposite of the operands of the truth value. Right, you know very well these logical operators also. Now the assignment operator. Here the equality is called as assignment. Assign a value to a variable like this. Here equality is assignment. Here is a variable x. You're assigning a value 10. Okay, now plus is equal to, minus is equal to, into equal to, divided by equal to, modulus equal to, modify the variable a value and assign a result back to the variable. Now bitwise operators. What is bitwise operators? Here these operators perform operations on individual bits of an integer. Now firstly bitwise and, this is symbol bitwise and bitwise or, and bitwise x or, bitwise not, is a tilde, bitwise left shift, and bitwise of right shift. These are the symbols in bitwise operations. Okay, now it's much important in your programming, but you want to know about this bitwise operations, right? Now identity operators called is, which means true if both operands are the same objects. If you want to both operands in the same object, you can use is. Identity operator is not the true if both operands are not the same object. It is not. Okay, this is called identity operators. The membership operators means in, it is called membership operators. Here if the value is found in sequence, value found in sequence, you can use in sequence, it's get true. If not in, if the value is not found in the sequence, it gets in use cannot in, get the output is true. These are the most important operators in Python programming. These operands are fundamental to performing various operations and making decisions in Python programming. This is of this video. Thank you. Hi viewer. In this video, we'll discuss what is the uses or advantage of Python operators. Here, Python operators have various uses and plays a crucial role in programming by allowing you to perform various different types of operations on data. Here's some common uses cases for different type of operators or arithmetic operators. and comparison operators and logical operators and assignment operators and bitwise operators and identity operators and membership operators. These are the most important advantages of operators in Python programming. Operators are the fundamental in programming because they allow you to control the flow of your code, perform the calculations, make the decisions, and manipulate data efficiently depending on the specific task and requirements of your program. You will choose and use different operators accordingly. This is of this video. Thank you. Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss some of the interview questions and solutions on Python operators. The first question: what is the main category of operators in Python? Can you provide examples of each? Here is the operators: arithmetic operation, place, minus, into, division, modules, and exponential and floor division. Comparison operators: double equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Logical operators, you know very well, and or not. Your assignment operators: equal to, plus, equal to, minus, equal to, etc. The bitwise operators: and one hyphen mark and one power mark and tilde and less than, double greater than. The identity operators called is and is not. Membership operators are in not. Okay. When the question number 2, explain the difference between double equal to and is in Python. Yes, double equal to is called comparison operator used to check if the two objects have the same context of values. Coming to is an identity operator used to check if the two objects are the same instance in memory. Okay. The third question: what is the purpose of not operator in Python? Here, the not operator is a logical operator used to navigate the truth value of a Boolean expression. It returns true if the expression is false and false if the expression is true. Okay, this is called not operator. Fourth question: how do you use ternary condition operator in Python? The ternary conditional operator in Python has the form value underscore if underscore true if condition else value underscore if underscore false. Okay, this allows you to assign one of two values to a variable based on condition. Here, what it says, what is the question? How do you use ternary conditional? Like if I want to use if underscore true if condition is if condition true is the if condition else value underscore if underscore false. Okay, this is condition. Result is yes if x is greater than 0, else no. I don't know about x, so it is always no. Now fifth question: explain difference between this single slash and double slash operators in Python. You know, single slash is division, double slash is a floor division, right? Here division operator and it returns the floating point result. I mean to floor division is a floor division operator. It returns the integer part of division result, the float value. Okay, so much of difference is floating. Its output will be the float. Its output will be the integer depending on the input values. The sixth question says, how can you check if the specific element exists in a list in Python? You can use in membership operator to check if an element exists in a list. Here, if element in my underscore of list, here this is a code a function can use. If element in my underscore of list, you can use this condition and get the output of membership. You can use in is called membership operator. Okay, don't forget it. Seventh question: what is the purpose of less than and greater than bitwise shift operators? Here, less than shift operator is which shift the bits of this number of the left. Right, greater than right shift operator which shifts the bits of your number to the right. How can you increment a variable x by 1 in Python? Here is the operator is called assignment operator, increment by 1. Here plus equal to 1. Here is an operator, increment value by 1. Here x is a variable, is assigned value 1, but I want plus increment, so I want to get increment. These are the most important questions are asked by interviewers in the interview. Python, very basic interview question, and some advanced questions also there for interview panel. This is of this video. Thank you.